Official Smart 450 and 451 for 2 Workshop Manual, 1998 to 2007, with wiring diagrams. Experienced the precision of the Smart 450 and 451 for 2 with our comprehensive factory workshop service and repair manual. Engineered to match the exacting standards of smart services, this manual is your key to maintaining and repairing your FORTWO with confidence. Technical specifications. Applies to Smart 450 and 451 for 2 models, including CABRIO, COUPE, and Cross Blade. Model years, 1998 to 2007. Engine, Petrol. Gearboxes, automatic, and manual. Language, English, Deutsch, Italiano. Over 10,000 screens and PDF pages. Content highlights. Complete smart manufacturer specifications and repair instructions. Step-by-step guidance with illustrations and wiring diagrams. Table of contents includes general information, brakes, engine, electrical, driveline, steering, suspension, HVAC, body, transmission, system wiring diagrams. About the manual. This workshop manual mirrors the procedures utilized by official and authorized dealer services and professional automotive technicians. With compatibility across all systems and devices, including Android, iOS, Windows, Linux, notebooks, laptops, tablets, smartphones, and PCs, you can access and utilize the manual effortlessly. Key features include search functionality for quick access to specific information. Printable format for ease of reference and convenience. Environmentally friendly PDF format, ensuring easy retrieval and minimal impact. Detailed illustrations, tables, and wiring diagrams for enhanced comprehension. Why choose PDF? Environmental sustainability. Easy access and retrieval on multiple devices. Print capabilities for on-the-go reference. Empower yourself with the Smart 450/451 FORTWO Workshop Manual, your comprehensive guide to maintaining and repairing your vehicle with precision and confidence.